Imagine making money on autopilot while AI does all the work for you. In 2025, AI is revolutionizing online income, and today I'll show you how to create passive income using AI. With the rise of AI tools, earning passive income has never been easier. Whether it's AI-generated content, automation, or smart investments, AI can help you make money while you sleep. Stick around because I'm also giving you access to my exclusive ebook that shows you step-by-step how to start. Download my ebook, How to Start an Online Business. Link in description. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to earn passive income. 1. AI-generated digital products. ChatGPT and Jasper. Write ebooks, courses, and guides with AI. Midjourney and Dolly. Create AI-generated artwork for posters and merch. AI voice and music generators. Sell voiceovers and stock music. Upload your products on Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify and start earning 24/7. Want a full roadmap? My ebook covers everything you need. Grab it now. 2. AI-powered YouTube automation. You don't even need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Pictory and Synthesia. AI tools that generate faceless videos. ChatGPT and Copy.ai. AI writes viral video scripts for you. TubeBuddy and vidIQ. AI-powered SEO to boost your channel. Monetize through YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Step-by-step strategy inside my ebook. Download it today. 3. AI affiliate marketing and blogging. AI can also help you make money with blogs and affiliate marketing. Surfer SEO and Jasper. AI writes SEO-optimized blog posts. Google AdSense and affiliate links. Earn commissions while you sleep. ChatGPT chatbots. Automate responses and increase conversions. With AI automation, your blog can generate passive income 24/7. Want step-by-step guidance? Grab my ebook, How to Start an Online Business. Link in description. Comment AI money if you're ready to start earning with AI. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making tips.